Let's begin our practice by coming to the standing position with the feet shoulder width apart, gentle bend in the knees, and we start to gently bounce and shake. We're releasing all the tension from the body, massaging the internal organs, the connective tissue, and all the joints. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, purging and detoxifying with each breath. Shaking out the wrists to let go of those keyboard wrists from sitting at the computer. Shake it out in any direction that feels good to you. Have fun with it. Let go of anything that's not necessary in this moment. Take a deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Keep shaking and let it all go. Have fun with it. You can bring a little smile to the face and send the message to the brain to relax. Then gently slow down, come back to stillness and take one more cleansing breath. Feel that calm energy. Our next practice is the spinal twist. Same stance with the feet shoulder width apart, gentle bend in the knees. We look over each shoulder to guide the twist. Let the arms be completely relaxed and keep that gentle bend in the knees. We're massaging the entire spine here, which helps to balance the nervous system and get the cerebral spinal fluid flowing into the brain. And come back to that breath every time. In through the nose, out through the mouth to release toxins and tension. You can close the eyes if you like and just focus on the movement. Feeling that nice release in the spine, opening the hips, relaxing and releasing the lower back. Take a few more deep breaths here, going at your own pace. And then slowly unwind back to the center. Come into stillness and let's take one more cleansing breath. Feel that nice relaxation in the spine. Let's move right into our next practice, tapping the chest to open the lungs. Make a gentle fist with the hands and we start to tap all over the front of the chest. Not too hard, but not too soft either. You want to send this vibration into the chest and into the lungs. So we're tapping everywhere, especially in the center on the sternum to help activate the immune system, and here underneath the collarbones to help activate the lungs. So tapping all over and always coming back to that gentle purging breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, releasing toxins, releasing stress with every breath. Keep going with that tapping. Put a gentle smile on the face that sends a message to the brain to relax. Keep going. A few more taps, a few more deep purging breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. And then relax the arms at the sides and take one more cleansing breath. Feel that energy opening in the chest. Moving into our next practice, spinal breathing. We'll bring the hands up into gentle fists. And as we inhale through the nose, open the arms and elbows back, lifting the chest and chin. Through the nose, we exhale, bring the elbows together, chin to chest, and lift the pelvic bone, rounding the spine. Inhale again, open the chest, arms and elbows back, lifting the chin. Through the nose, we exhale slowly, elbows together, chin to chest, tucking the tailbone under, rounding the back. So find your own rhythm, and as you breathe, you want to focus on the spine. You're helping to massage the entire spine and the internal organs, and at the same time, you're activating the nervous system and releasing tension from the body and mind. Deep breathing helps to cleanse, purify, and detoxify with every breath. So keep going, a few more rounds. Just one more. After this, we come back to the arms to the sides. We'll take a deep, relaxing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel that relaxation. For our next practice, we're going to start with those feet spread very wide. Turn the toes out to 45 degrees and bring the hands together, palms together. As we exhale, bring the hands down towards the knee, then inhale, rise up towards the face, and exhale, crossing down to the other side. Inhale as you rise up, drawing a big figure eight with the hands, twisting a little bit behind on each side. Here we're massaging the entire spine and the organs. We're activating those office legs, waking them up, and we're massaging the neck, wrists, shoulders, and neck. Getting that nice flow through the spine helps to also calm the nervous system. So remember, lean into each side, big figure 8 movement with the hands, rotating a little bit behind on each side to really get the full range of motion. Take your time, breathing deep in through the nose, out through the mouth. And we'll come back to center. Step the feet together, relax the arms to the sides for a deep cleansing breath. Moving into alternate nostril breathing. We use the right hand, tucking these 3 fingers, the middle fingers into the palm, sticking up that pinky and thumb. Let's take a relaxing breath to begin. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through the left nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Then change. Close the left nostril with the pinky. Exhale through the right nostril, nice and slow to the end of the breath. Same side. Inhale through the right nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Then change. Close the right nostril with the thumb and exhale through the left, nice and slow. We'll do that another time. Inhale through the left side, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Then change. Close the left nostril with the pinky and exhale through the right, nice and slow to the end of the breath. One more time. Inhale through the right and close the right side. Exhale through the left. Last round here. Inhale through the left nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Change sides, close the left side, and exhale through the right. Nice and slow to the end of the breath. Then, same side. Inhale through the right nostril, filling the belly, chest, top of the head. Change sides, close the right side with the thumb, and exhale through the left. And let's finish by relaxing the arms to the sides and taking a deep, calming breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let's finish our practice by bringing the hands over the heart center, and we'll take deep, slow breaths in and out through the center of the chest. Let's close the eyes and think of something that makes us smile or someone that we love deeply. And feel this emotion as you breathe deeply through the center of the chest. We're creating a beautiful coherence between the mind and heart. This helps to relax and release any tension. Continuing to breathe here. As you inhale, expand this space with energy and light. And as you exhale, feel that sense of release, relaxing the body and mind. 1 or 2 more deep breaths here. Gentle smile on the face. And let's relax the hands to the sides. Take a cleansing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now we can take this peace, strength, and confidence with us into the rest of the day. Thanks for joining us.